Hi friends, here is Imran for Admin of Islam Tech, and here today I am gonna teach you. This is Redmi mobile friends, and here you can see it has gesture lock, which is only says voice,
Screen
and
off. 11:40.
when you touch the screen will not work. So what we have to do, we have to reset the mobile. So you can hear the voice. Touch will not work. Only gesture will be take. So first of all, to remove this type of to remove the situation, to remove this, take out the battery, remove the battery, reinsert the battery. Ah, After inserting the battery, we have to reset the mobile. We have to do hard reset of this mobile. So press the volume up button. You can see volume down and up button here, and the power button here. So press and hold down the volume up button. While pressing hold down the volume up button, press the power button. When you feel the vibration in the mobile, leave the power button and hold down the press volume up button. Don't leave the button, press the button still. And here you can see a menu, which is recovery menu. So press the volume down button to choose English language. Press the power button to select this English language. Press the power button now, and here you can see reboot, wipe data, install, update the zip, power off. We have to choose this second option, wipe and reset. So press the volume down button. When it comes on wipe and reset, press the power button to choose this option, to select the option. Press the power button. Now you can see some options here, which is wipe cache, wipe user data, wipe SD card, and install, update. So wipe reset, wipe and reset, and now we have to choose wipe all data. Now press volume down button and select wipe all data. Now press the power button to choose this option. Press the power button, wipe all data, and it will ask for yes or no. Press volume down button and select the yes option by pressing the power button. Now you can see here it was wiping all the data. So data wipe has been completed, and now reboot the system by pressing power button. Reboot the system. Now the mobile will be reboot, and after it's reboot successfully, now you can see the mobile has been started, and we have to choose the language. We have to choose the country. So skip all this option. So like this we can remove the voice recognition from the MI mobile. So I hope you have learned how to hard reset the MI mobile. So thanks for watching this video friends. Have any doubts, any queries, mention your comments in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.